Hello, hockey card collectors. This is the Scruffy Bear from Scruffybear.ca. And today, I'd like to remind everybody that we have this, or we have this. For when we get to 100 subscribers, there's a rookie cards of Carey Price and Jonathan Toews and all that in there. The winner will be able to pick between these two. Or maybe I'll have two winners. We'll have to see. Sorry about that, guys. We'll have to see as we get to 100 subscribers what we will do. In the meantime, today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to open up a blaster of 2006-7 Upper Deck, 8 cards per pack, 8 packs per box, and oh look, for one oversized NHL Awards winner card too. This is back when they actually made good blasters, not this stuff they're doing there in the store right now. 5 packs for a blaster, that's outrageous. Okay, so in this box we can either get Phil Kessel, Dustin Byfoglin, Paul Stastny, Louis Eriksson, Ansi Kopitar, Nicholas Backstrom, Shea Weber, Travis Zajac, Jordan Staal, and Chris Letang. Should get 2 young guns out of this box. Maybe even a jersey. I would like to get a Phil Kessel, that would be nice, or Shea Weber. So, wow, didn't realize you had to get right in here. Okay, see what we got here. There's our oversized, award winner Pavel Datsyuk, Lady Byng trophy winner. Well, maybe they'll bring me a little luck. We'll just put that over there. Get the rest of our packs here. Okay. The playoffs are here. You might notice I have a Stanley Cup sitting here for the Toronto Maple Leafs. They've off to a good start. Let's see if they can go all the way this time and not just one series. So let's start it off. We got our 8 packs here. And we have John LeClair. Oh, the cards are sticking a little. There we go. Scott Niedermayer. Heck. Brian McCabe. Fernando Pisani. Jaromir Jagr. Steve Ott. And Alexander Semin, which when we first were introduced to this guy, the announcers used to call him Seaman until they realized what they were saying. So now they call him Semin. And sticks a little. And Hetsky, Way Whitney, Jordan Tutu. And there's an award winners, Jaromir Jagr. And we got Alexander Frolov, Mike Richards, Pascal Leclerc, and Brian Campbell. Now we should get 2 young guns in here. So, none yet. Alexander Steen. And Cristobal Huet. the Stepniak Matt Sundin. Oh, okay. And Marco Sturm, Ethan Moreau, Tambellini, and Zickley. And hey kids, turn your sports cards into prizes. Yeah, right, okay. Promo cards. Okay. And Barrett Jackman, Andrew Bennett, Stephen Weiss, and our first Young Guns is Ben Ondris of the Toronto Maple Leafs. That's not bad, considering I'm a Leaf fan. Peter Forsberg, Thomas Holmstrom, and Telquist, and Corey Stillman. So there's one Young Gun. There should be a second. Not like the blasters now, you get one. Milan Miluk, Michalik, Verbata, and Chris Clark. Oh, there's a jersey, Ed Belfour. Another Leaf. Nice. Getting a lot of new Leaf stuff here. Renee Bork, Matthew Caron, Slava Kozlov, and Keith Ballard. Okay. Should still get a Young Gun here, though. Okay, we got Sidney Crosby, Chris Campoli, Daniel Sedin, and Statistical Leaders, Alexander Ovechkin, the grade 8. And we got Martin St. Louis, Alex Kovalev, Sami Kapanen, which is Kasperi Kapanen's father, Pavel Datsyuk. Okay, Joe Thornton, when he wasn't a Leaf. He's on Florida now, I believe. Mike Camilleri, and Dwayne Rollison, Shane Doan, Patrick Eves, Pierre-Marc Bouchard, Jason Blake, and Curtis Sanford. And another one of those ads. Last pack probably has the Young Gun in here. Okay, we got Jamie Lundmark, Corey Perry, Philip Boucher, and our Young Guns of Mikko Lehtinen, Sean Burke, Marian Gaborik, Cam Ward, and Matisse Orland. Well, we didn't get any of the Young Guns that I had read off, but we did get Mikko Lehtinen, and where'd that other one go? Ben Ondris, which is a Leaf. And we got the grade 8 and Statistical Leaders, Ed Belfour, jersey, and Jaromir Jagr award winners. So not bad for Blaster. I'm pretty happy with that. Tell me what you think. Also, leave in the comments, who do you think is going to win the cup? I'm voting for the Leafs. What was my first clue? Okay, if you like this video, give it a like. If you want to see more or get involved in our contests and giveaways, please subscribe. And if you have something you want to add, put it down in the comments. And we'll see you on the next break. Take care now. Bye.